Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're down here at Stingaree Restaurant and we're going to talk Stingaree Restaurant. You know, we've made it through Memorial Day, now we've made it through Father's Day, and we're winding up for July 4th. And let me tell you, this week through the end of July, a lot of things going on at Stingaree, including some great live music and some great seafood. So if you're looking for something to do on a weekend, maybe a day trip down here, head on down to Stingaree Restaurant. You can get more information on Stingaree Restaurant on their website at www.stingaree.com, or come on down, have a cold drink on the dock of the bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road. You know, I've been actually ran fishing trips out of Stingaree for years and years, and have always enjoyed their fresh seafood and their hand-cut steaks, and you can't beat it here overlooking East Galveston Bay, whether it's for a daytime view or that beautiful free sunset view. You know, one of my favorite dishes is the Greek salad with the blackened chicken on it. It's healthy and it's great and it's always fresh. One of my other favorites is the grilled shrimp, and they use larger shrimp. They pinwheel them and they grill them, and that holds in the flavor so that you can really taste the fresh shrimp flavor here at Stingaree Restaurant. One of my other favorites is the redfish Louie. I tell you what, if you're looking for a Texas-sized meal, the redfish Louie is it, and you can't beat fresh redfish with the sauce and the sides and everything. But you know, Stingaree's not just great seafood. They're also awesome food at Down Under, along with live music, and that's not going to stop this weekend either. In fact, now they have a DJ karaoke. Two Broke Chicks are down here on Thursday evenings, and last Thursday it was a blast. In fact, bring your family, because the kids can sing, you can sing, everyone can sing and have a great time here at Down Under. Whether you're looking for a fresh seafood dinner upstairs, or maybe at Down Under, have one of their smash burgers. Maybe their Texas smoked brisket, smoked in-house, their pulled pork sandwich or basket, or maybe a 3-meat basket where you get sausage, brisket, and pulled pork. And I tell you what, you can't beat the homemade coleslaw at Down Under. So anyway, they've got some great live music this week. Like I said, Two Broke Chicks will be here on Thursday evenings, and then Friday they actually have the lineup, and I tell you what, you can't beat that Galveston band here playing on the dock of the bay at Stingaree Restaurant. And then Saturday night they have Mud Flats. So we're looking for a great time down here. They open up on Wednesdays at 11 o'clock, and then they're open through Sunday evening, and so they're closed on Monday and Tuesday to give their staff some time to rest and relax a little bit, because you know it's been a great summer down here so far. The Marina is open in full swing, got gas on the water, the restaurant's going great, and we're winding up for an awesome July 4th here on the upper Texas coast. Like I said, if you want more information on Stingaree Restaurant, please go to their website at www.stingaree.com, and you can find them on social media for any updates or special messages they have. And they've got some great live music. And remember, Stingaree Restaurant's a family-owned business here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Everything at Stingaree's family-friendly, from Down Under and the live music to the great restaurant upstairs. Remember, you're not going to want to pass up a Frosty Muggarita going in a mug and that salted rim sitting on the dock of the bay watching the free sunset. So we're going to head on out. Hope to see you this weekend at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas. Remember, the seafood is fresh, the Muggaritas are frosty, the steaks are hand cut, and the sunsets are free. We're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come see us on the dock of the bay, the upper Texas coast, and explore Bolivar Peninsula. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking in East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with Frosty Muggaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.